You walk into a shop in Bangkok. You say a word you practiced 100 times, and the person just stares at you. Confused? Sound familiar? Here's the thing, your grammar wasn't wrong, your vocabulary wasn't wrong. It was probably your tone. Thai is a tonal language. That means the same syllable, said at 5 different pitches, becomes 5 completely different words. Today, I'll show you all 5, and by the end, you'll start to hear the difference. Let's go. Thai has 5 tones: mid, low, falling, high, and rising. Think of them like 5 musical notes for your voice. On screen, each one has its own color and a number, from 0 to 4, so you can follow along even when the sounds feel similar. Midtone is flat. Your voice stays level and calm, right in the middle. Low tone sits at the bottom, low and steady. Falling tone starts high and drops, like a little sigh. High tone pushes up and stays up, a bit tense, like you're surprised. Rising tone dips down, then lifts back up, exactly like asking a question in English. I know, at first they all sound the same. That's completely normal on day 1, so let me prove they're actually different. Take one simple sound. I'm going to change only the tone, nothing else. Watch. Ka. Mid. It means to be stuck. Ka. Low. That's galangal, a cooking spice. Ka. Falling. An old word for I or servant. Ka. High. To trade, to do business. Ka. Rising. Leg. Ka. 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 Same letters, same syllable. 5 different words, just from pitch. Now, here's a famous one that Thai kids love. 5 words in a row, and almost everyone sounds the same. Mai, 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 mai. It means new wood doesn't burn, does it? Wood. New, not, burn, and a question. 5 words, 5 tones, 1 sentence. If you can hear those apart, you've basically got Thai tones. Let's test your ear. I'll say one word and you guess the tone. Watch the color to check yourself. Ready? Listen carefully. Ka. 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 Was that falling or rising? It was rising. Hear that little lift at the end. That's the one that sounds like a question. So remember, Thai has 5 tones: mid, low, falling, high, rising. You don't need to be perfect today. Even getting close makes a huge difference, and Thai people will start to understand you. The secret is just training your ear a little at a time. In the next video, we'll do pure ear training. Just you and the 5 tones until you can hear them in your sleep. Subscribe so you don't miss it. And tell me in the comments which tone is the hardest for you. See you next time.